Alright, in this part of the video I'm going to be explaining what HTML is. In the most basic terms, HTML is just code that we use to make web pages. It's the most simple, easy to use code, and it's the most widespread. That means the most people, it's the most used code to make web pages. I can show you an example by going to Internet Explorer. Go to any website like www.petco.com, because everybody loves pets. And what you see is just a website. You've got little logos, pictures, some cool little search bars and links and all kinds of stuff. Under the hood over here you click view, go to source, and this is like the code that makes up this web page. And most of it, not all of it, but most of it is HTML code. And in this video series I'm going to be explaining how to make websites with HTML. Alright, in this part of the video I'm going to explain how to make your first HTML document. This is actually a lot simpler than most people think because you only need two programs to do it. You need a text editor, like I'm going to use Notepad, and you need an internet browser, and I'm going to use Internet Explorer. Open up your Notepad, your text editor, type in this code exactly as it appears in the video description. Alright, and when you're done typing that, click File, click Save As, and then save it as homepage, no spaces, .html. Alright, and then close out of your text editor, and right here you've got your first HTML document. To open it up, all you got to do is just double click it, and as you can see, because it's an HTML document, it opens up in Internet Explorer. So even though it doesn't have anything on it yet, this is how you make the document itself. Another little tidbit of advice: go ahead and make yourself a new folder called My Website or something else. You can be creative, and then stick your little file in there. That way you can keep your website to be organized. Alright, so now that you know how to make the document, I'm going to teach you how to edit the document. Just go to your folder. What we have so far is just a blank page. If you double click it, your internet browser will open it up as a blank page. That's not very cool. We got to add some content. So instead of making an entire new document, we're just going to edit the one that we already have. So you just right click it, go to Open With, Notepad, and as you can see, this is the code that we typed in the previous chapter, and you can type in whatever you want, like I love my mother, exclamation point, and then File, Save, exit out, and if you open up that document, voila, this page is loaded with content. Not really, but as you can see, we successfully edited the document without creating a whole new one.